In the year 490 BC, two great empires stood on the brink of war: the mighty Persian Empire, led by King Darius I, and the small but stalwart city-state of Athens, defended by its courageous citizens. The Persian Empire, under the rule of King Darius I, had been expanding its territories, conquering lands as far as the eye could see. The city-state of Athens, part of the Delian League, refused to bow to Persia's demands, sparking the wrath of the Persian king. Darius I, determined to crush the defiant city-state, amassed a massive army, numbering more than 100,000 soldiers, ready to march on Greece. The Persian fleet, meanwhile, sailed towards the shores of Athens, preparing to launch an invasion. The Athenians, though outnumbered, were not deterred. Led by the wise and valiant Miltiades, they took a strategic stand at the small town of Marathon. The Persians, under the command of the ruthless Harpagus, advanced, their army a sea of armored warriors. The Battle of Marathon commenced, the clash of steel against steel echoing across the plains. The Athenians, fighting with courage and cunning, managed to hold their ground against the Persian onslaught. The Persians, however, were not easily deterred. They launched a fierce counterattack, hoping to break the Athenian lines. But the Athenians, fueled by their love for their city, held firm, their resolve unbroken. In the end, the Athenians emerged victorious. The Persian forces were forced to retreat, leaving the battlefield strewn with the remnants of their army. The news of the Athenian victory spread swiftly, reaching Athens and sparking celebrations that would last for days. The Battle of Marathon was a turning point in history, a testament to the courage and determination of the Athenians. The victory marked the first time a Persian army had been defeated by a European force, and it served as a powerful message to the Persian Empire that Greece would not be easily conquered. In the years that followed, the Battle of Marathon would be remembered as a symbol of Greek resilience and a testament to the power of freedom. The legacy of this historic battle continues to inspire history enthusiasts and students of warfare to this day.